Alright guys, so I'm all changed into my apple picking outfit. I'm wearing a white turtleneck and this cute little jumper and some sneakers. Let me show you. This is the fit. This part of the video is being brought to you by Bob and Brad. This brand makes products that are designed by physical therapists. So of course they make the best products because they know exactly how to target those spots. So this is their weighted heating pad, and this is designed with an adjustable belt, so it gives you a hands-free experience. I love that it has a LCD display screen, and that makes it easier to use, so you can set a timer and adjust it to any of the 6 different modes to your own comfort. The Bob and Brad heating pad stands out comparing to other heating pads because this one that I have, it does not have these straps, so I cannot get my regular stuff done. It is designed with infrared heat therapy, so that is perfect because that will help to penetrate deep into the muscles. And the best part, guys, it is machine washer safe. You can see that the Bob and Brad heating pad is way more structured, where it is more weighted than this. This is very thin comparing to this, and ceramic beads definitely heat up faster than any other heating pad. Perfect to use on any part of your body, and with their hands-free design, I can continue to do all my chores and still get some pain relief from the heating pad. It warms up within seconds and it is so easy to operate. Special thanks to Bob and Brad for sending me this heating pad. I will definitely be enjoying using this, especially when I have those pain and that time that I need that little extra comfort to help. So I will make sure to put the link down in the description of this video so that you guys can purchase your very own. Guys, look who's here. We got Monique. But I don't think they saw you since you did your since you changed your hair. Oh, you haven't been on camera.
Yes.
Guys, I love Monique hair so much. It's so pretty.
Yeah, when I was taking it to the airport, it wasn't short.
Was it this color? No, it wasn't this color. After I come back, you do it.
While you're in Jamaica, I colored it, I believe.
Oh, yes. Alright guys, we are off to do touristy things and country things, Monique. Why? Country things, Monique. We are here at the orchard. Tickets required, I think, because I saw the truck. Hold on, Monique. Well, most of the people walk from this way, so. Oh, it's dusty. Yeah, because so the last time we came here, we never got to pick any of the fruits.
It was intention to pick fruit.
Yeah, but we
spend all day riding
and doing all the activities with Nevi and so forth, so. I hope we're going the right direction, you know. A good thing, so we wear sneakers, Monique.
Yes.
That's okay, I think so. If we got so
this way?
Oh yeah. Let's see. Let me ask him. Where's the entrance? I think here's a. Hi, sir. Is here the entrance? Hi, is here the entrance? Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
We are gonna be picking apples today. We got Monique here.
Yes.
Have you done this before, one?
No.
Okay.
When I was in Vermont last week,
yeah,
there was a lot of trees and apples and all of that.
Oh, really?
I was doing too much to get to that part of it.
You did tired? Okay. I texted, I had
and
this.
there was pear too, I believe.
Oh, pear? Pear or peach? Which one?
Pear, man.
What you call, wait, a pear?
American pear.
Oh, okay.
Avocado, American pear.
Okay, because we wonder if the same thing. Okay, okay. You did get a code? I texted the. I told them to text. I did enter your number to text the ticket to you. Oh, kissing booth.
Trust me, me see it. Do not laugh. I cannot
Come
see.
The apples are picking up from today, which is Fuji.
Okay.
If you guys have any questions, there's workers down there that can help you and assist you in with. Other than that, please stay seated and enjoy the ride.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
We still everything in on this thing by ourselves.
Yeah, because see other people, look at other people.
When we do this thing over, so we never full of so much dust.
No. I think probably might remember it hasn't rained in a little bit too.
True.
So that's the main difference. Cause remember, so we did have a time when it didn't rain a lot. Guys, don't wear white come apple picking. That's like a failure. White never teacher. What? What's that? This, look on this. This is so dirty. Okay. Oh, these apples are so pretty. Look at these nice apples. I don't like how those look. I don't think any of them are so. Well, let me see if this one. No, these are some tiny ones. Oh, over here is really good. Oh. This one is nice. Alright. Guys, look upon them one here. Are the nice one them? Monique, no pink the pan it first. We just they up there so with the little half dead one them. I don't think. Me not think no pink did they pan them one them with it. Monique, no pink never the pan it and we pick off the people them apple. Lord of Jesus, alright. Alright guys, look at these, Monique. No, them one they are spoiled. Them one they not good. Them one they are spoiled. These guys, listen, this is why you must come at the peak of the season. Don't come when it's half dead. Because when you come when it's half dead, all of the good one them gone already. Them one they are spoiled, Monique. These,
yeah, look on this.
them one they are spoiled, man. Guys, listen. This is a nice experience, but come at the peak of the season, like when it just starts. Don't wait till it finish before. Lord Jesus, cobweb in my hair, Monique.
Cobweb?
Yeah, out of the tree.
You're at farm. You're in the farm.
Like, I'll cobweb up on my bag or something. I have to go do a hard scrub on my face.
Them apple are big, man.
Yeah, them apple here look good.
Go on them we have over this.
Than them wonder. But they just have to look good because some of them have bugs.
And some of them are spoiled.
Yeah, some of them are spoiled. Guys, that's a wrap.
We did it.
We did it!
We did it.
Look, we got one bag of apple. We don't need no more apple than that.
No more.
That's just it. Alright guys, so we're heading back. I think we're gonna go to the barnyard to check out the barnyard. It's a rocky ride. Buddy? Yeah, it's
Listen, this is tractor. We're looking at the hills of Jamaica.
why?
There's a ride on tractor.
Not true. Imagine when leave Jamaica come right on tractor Friday. Ooh, the auto something.
Is it locked? It's locked.
Right. I need to deep scrub my face.
The entire body. Foot them. I have an issue with dust on my foot.
That's why I wore.
They itch me.
Oh, that's why I'm wearing pants and no cause but I never expect it to be this dusty. Because when I came over this side.
The other side is not as dusty as here.
Nope, don't bother drink it. Because remember when we went, it was rainy season.
Oh, true.
Alright guys, we have made it to the end of another YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, because this was a very fun weekend. Guys, listen, I just got home. I'm gonna go shower. I'm gonna go wash my wig, because this wig needs to be washed because I know it's dusty, all that dust. I need to go take a quick bath, and then I'm gonna go start working on my meal prep for the week. That would be in a different video. This video has been fun, guys. I need to wrap this video up because I know I'm gonna be sitting editing this video for hours upon hours, and y'all didn't get a video today for Sunday just because I spent all day vlogging and stuff and never get to edit. So I'm gonna go start working on editing the video so you guys can get a video next weekend. Alright guys, and please remember you can look out for a video either Friday, Saturday or Sunday from me. I will try to post on weekends so you guys can have something to watch, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Bye guys. So I'm off to pick up Nevi now. I'm gonna stop at the UPS store. I have a package to send off, so I'm gonna do that, and then yeah. Come see if we can go closer, because we not come out of the carrier because the car is so dirty from the
yeah, my car is very dirty.
From the apple picking where we go yesterday, Monica. That it's extremely dirty. All right, let me see if I can figure. Oh Jesus. Oh my gosh, guess what I do? I left my card.
Hello, welcome to our car wash. Please select your wash or enter your code now.
Thank God nobody did it behind me. Okay, it wasn't too bad. Enter, you just select the one that you want, and then enter your payment. Alright, let me wind up my window now. Alright, later, Mon. You hear?
No, not you.
Oh, me think oh. Make sure that all my windows up and stuff. Cause this car needed a wash so bad. Like when I come out of the garage, I'm like, I don't even want to touch the car.
That's what mine was.
Yeah. I'm like, oh.